Hello, in front of me I've got Honor 50 Lite. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. In the beginning, let's enter settings and go to display and brightness. As you can see right here, we've got all settings for our display. From here you can manually change brightness level of the display, enable or disable automatic brightness, change color mode between natural tone, normal, vivid, or custom. Then you can go to sleep section and select between 15 seconds or never. Next you can enable or disable eye comfort mode, change filter level, schedule it, or enable it all day. Next we can enable ebook mode, dark mode, change text and display size, enable or disable smart resolution, manage full screen display for apps, hide notch, display carrier name, and display network speed. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.